Welcome back to my class. During my today's tutorial, I will teach you how to paint lovely girl with florals, among the nature in watercolor style in Procreate. I prepared for you lots of new custom brushes, stem brushes along with watercolor brushes, watercolor paper, color palette, my own sketch that I paint and my pictures that I drew. And I hope you're ready. If so, grab your iPad, Apple Pencil and let's paint together. Hi guys, I'm Inga, freelance illustrator. Welcome back to my class and let's dive into landscape illustration with character and paint all together beautiful girl with flowers. At the end of my class you will learn more about Procreate and composition, especially how to use layers, clip and mask, alpha lock, selection tool and how to add texture, volume and color variation to your picture. And most importantly, you will learn how to paint watercolor illustration in a simple way, a new painting technique. You can use the illustration you create for posting on Instagram, add it to your portfolio, or sell it on Etsy, Gumroad, and so on. Or just share it with someone whom you really like. I am sure they will be so happy to get an illustration that is created by you. Today I want to show you that watercolor is so simple and it's a real fun. And in the end of my class you can see it. Today I will teach you how to create texture paper, how to use stem brushes, what is composition, how to create traditional watercolor illustration in Procreate, how to draw different kinds of botanicals, how to paint picture without reference picture, how to use my and default Procreate brushes for watercolor painting, how to apply my new watercolor technique, what are the nuances you need to know if you want to create watercolor illustration, how to use alpha lock and clip and mask, how to add texture to your artwork. I will also show you how to add shades and highlights. I will show you my whole process from the start till finish, and as a bonus, I will share with you my textured paper, lots of custom watercolor brushes, color palette, sketch that I created. I will also add file of my pictures that I drew. Feel free to use it for your own art projects. I will use Procreate for this class with iPad and Apple Pencil. So if you have it, or some other drawing pads, or just regular watercolor paper and paints, please join our class and good luck!